Abusuan Lumba ba CHARLYN ababa wano krofo twimako bone edigu ne ho. Ebi mukra eche se woye bonsamba. Ebi se abofra no woye bayifo. Na die ntina ne maame eko prejapade ede abafie na akora no so ebotoguo. Na eno enam so ma akora no ede ahomete pa etim ababonten ababedi enkomo ede afa ne ekoso achese sesei court nsensem akokoye pinso achese CHARLYN no didi enenam mu no ene akra no akasa na mesre yenko ne yekokoti yeba jede Ashanti Queen ensembi ebeto also.
I want to also let everyone know that I didn't sue my mom or I sued lawyer Kusi. We only went to court to take my name out of the letter of administration. And the reason why I want to do that is I'm currently going through a really intensive phase in my life because I'm going to graduate law school soon. I don't have the time to represent my siblings.
I can't say, why you law school, or your law school, or quay exams, with the muntie.
Good afternoon. My name is CHARLYN Fusu. I am the daughter of Akosua Serwaa Fusu and Charles Fusu, aka Daddy Lumba. I want to address something. Today we went to court to take my name out of the letter of administration. I want to also let everyone know that I didn't sue my mom or I sued lawyer Kusi. We only went to court to take my name out of the letter of administration. And the reason why I want to do that is I'm currently going through a really intensive phase in my life because I'm going to graduate law school soon. I don't have the time to represent my siblings in the letter of administration. That's why we have decided, or I have decided, to take my name out of the letter of administration. I didn't suit lawyer Kusi. I didn't suit my mom. My mom is a wonderful person. I love her really deeply, and I would never ever do that to her. People are making false claims just to destroy my relationship to her, and this is really hurtful.
Abusuan enti CHARLYN ena wote se wo kasa no wo chemu dia wo ko law school enti ensem court akoniaba no wo nya kwan ye court nsensem ti ono no de nam so ema ekoba asa no ena odi atudwa ene CHARLYN enti makoboni enkrofo otwegu ne ho ni nyina na abusuan ye nya botere emfama abraba wa no isansa na sa kora no isanse abrofo ba ne ebifo ma de adwene no enye pe enti eno so eno no na eno ena Ashanti Queen ababonten edi revelation bi aba ewo nkomo bi a course between CHARLYN and lawyer abusua yenko ne yenkoti sa ensem no emra.
Oh, one day I'm a dear to me. Meba. So, meba se mesi anymore. Between CHARLYN and a lawyer, no lawyer, Afokwa, I don't know, Afokwa, I don't know. Say if some writer, lawyer Afokwa. Contact lawyer no, and a good one no. About out to say Beneza, a quart to say, a cranny friend na, one a quart 1 minute also no. A cranny no master more the trial lawyer and say, why was Ebenezer in court? That wasn't what we discussed. That bring me in a big problem. And perform one mercy. That brought me in a big problem. And a court lawyer no, and so I say, the court is a public place. He was aware of the return date, which is today. It's a family matter, though. Tio, court lawyer nenu masem. Yes, I'm on your chronic kind ba. The what trouble ni? Comment section for us anymore. Eba. My offer camera no a comment no. Was said the court is a public place. He was aware of the return dates, which is today. It's a family matter though. And also reply a said, knowing the media, knowing the media would switch the outcome, I offered them explanations after court, both in English and shee. There was there I say no akovaso. Abusuafo, and yes, sir, akrano enim, or no part of the story in America no. Was say, when nim Ebenezer, so one replace ni bia. Ebenezer, when him 2 weeks ago na Ebenezer friend but the issue a buy any say I was here busane say CHARLYN the mistake e bia wo mu kakra bia meka say bia wo ye ya akofa asem wi aba wo akra na mistake ne say na ni kwan say wo kwa court no asem no lawyer no wo no kwanya court so mo kwa court o say lawyer no emwa no na wanyi ni din because ne nua mote no agye ne nua o ye law me no ma asem na meko wo ye law ba ne nua no wo person ka Kevin e replacing no as the head awo ye bema I mean for we mra comment section mra abusuafo dia wo ye ya wo ye ne say me bu sense na omukọ court no obo omame amane obo omame amane akwane nu masem a esele enu masem ne say wodi kan ka che ma esema enyi ni din free ho no mo na nka wono ne mfa ne nua no edim na ba ma ka che ne say enya hwe wodi ne dia bam na so wodi wono ne dia atoso no enya hwe nto ma me no ama no akonya se wono be express wono ni feelings ese wono na edey wo ye exam sise no o ma make so onya hwe enkofa hwement no wo de ka video na so de ne din atoso a ankenya hwe but na ye setup ene nkrofo na set wono ne se wo mo de kwa court ama akofa nsems bebre aba na wo betie bia no wo ye exams eti ye besre no ye besre ye se sa na asem ne tie woni afia so asnega nkasa ada was it the last time was so nany 3 days or prega friend is what friend is and any 3 days in yakrampo on for prega call and some me de do so make us make catch them and some me do so if you can book say if you so nigga crop so see no say if you so nigga esi one ma what did you ma me atem e ka say ebubo bonidi say why say and some me do so abusuafo make us make bia chem a doson ye gina form so almost abasai almost 6 hours esu emu pata ye pata aklei esu because ono nanu ma say sana na kwa so waye evil e wo maame anim na nso no enye sa na ope no but ne phone so power ye ene say na wase wodi kan ka che o maame say ne wo mo kokot akwa ne so wonim se ne kro mo kokot waso wonim esene wo mo kokot wonim sa asem ne kwayeye asem lawyer ne ba ne ho no so obeboa no lawyer ne ba ne ho lawyer fu akwaya ne din da ho ne ba ne ho no so obeboa no enene wo mo de na one o maame ato problem sei mimi ntwem dia me ye sure say minim say lawyer no is part of oprega and no mo settle akra ne app say yo but and some blessisi and mama catch on some person who use some crown against their own mom. What you say? Say they be won crown so me ni pabone. Sana crown person today. E should ye CHARLYN should be na was should be was so tiatiemu to say the via se ba na wie ye. Was so ankasa and so ankasa. And also the way say my cannot go be say I'm not person me ba live o. Anopano na nsem na ye enipa no omo akasa na ye almost 10 e wase we ho enipa no omo akasa wase we almost 10
Abusua ensem no na wonya bia wutiye no mesre se babia wo bia se wo yetim side check dia ene na wache wadwene e comment section na emum no wo yetim legal wife on so a fa dwenkyere no to comment section na emum koyo nso papa shee na wagina so akere wadwene abusua yemfa video wi ento so
mwa maame anim kwantimi ntane na obedu obi maame atam obedu Akosua Serwaa atam papa bi wo ba wo fiti pekwana ne hu bo afie mu oba tuntu black tuntu en ton store Akosua Serwaa kala bi ekita na wedi bi egu ne hunam mo maame panyini wo onka se wo simpoda o je wo se campaign se crepensi shee shoba tomlusie shoba nentu shoba toketwa shoba je furiketwa wo ye no di Akosua Serwaa ko beauty contest ye be tuno jawo woni le comprat mpo ye be tuno jawo woni le comprat woni mpo ye ko 3 years no woni le comprat ye be tuno jawo wo do hu konko pa Akosua Serwaa o ma me hu fi sa profi Mama me hu fi e bi ho mama krampo no e so ni chase ni mama nkwa na work tu mama ni e musi apus mo no mama smith mpo musa bi border mama mpo musa ayi ayowa mpo bo musa bi da okodi obi mama atam mama ani bre mo ni bre mama no ko ja pade ni bru so ntem ya o bre no me bre
Me pacha mu mute boy be a friend of my hard lord o said them mu mute no Jimmy wo commenting too much.
What mu bre ye no no me bre yo onu kwa ne bre Satan no to konkonten e hye papa no ni e bobra no na munni mo se no mo hen madu se no tumi no mo tuba bom yem du ba ma chie nonsense idiot akope wuo ama no abodam papa bokwa kodi woda ka no e wo beti wan plan ho e wo asafuleba oton afreda ka ho ko aso pe kofia boage oton freda ka ko aso beti wan na onim no ho ntonti freda ka so mo ko du freda ka no Akosua Serwaa di wo betra se di breso fa so Oni e brenu mama hu fi mama me mobra o mama bobra woni mire obi mama ja pade so mama bobra woni obi mama atam wa o mama mobra na woni bre obi mama ye me tum mama na mo no me ni ko bre obi mama because said mama ti wo wiase onya ye de ja pade onya ye no o de mama nko a e me kwa me dia e ti me ni ko bre Akosua Serwaa ja pade because bi wo bi ho e de ni bre sa no ana mo ni bre dia sa Ana mama ni munyam so sene mona. Onya papa. Ya mamu ka se de ba be chamo. Mante hini obema ye hu maame da. Obema ye hu maame da. Unanso asa kapinti. Unanso aka ka chamo sa kapinti. Ya shaw ne ya shaw maame. Umponi na maame. Umponi ni wo chamo mu hwe nyina sana maame ye. Be ma won t-shirt ne hu ye peda. De bia nkra 10 years t-shirt na je wo. Ba so ti America. T-shirt amwamwa obakọ ne ndako ntumi t-shirt kwampo mawo de bia no wa hye cheche tunabo unim tunabo ne tunabo shaw akunyamu o tawo o de hu kokope Akosua Serwaa papa bi nonsense mu just obewu de wu a ko sisa makwana wu na japade de bebere wo ma ana na ono kra so obewu de sa eni bwase kwa mudi gulu so poison ku kan na etu enu gulu so wa hu na ne obewu ene na ye be president na ye be abeto no shaba amaka na oba be obedi ye so no akua nko esi na mu oba president no ene obewu nonsense kwa don ko wu ye no Maame Akosua Serwaa ne baaye oni edi ni baba be di ade ama na baba di Ghana president female woman in president e wo Ghana no oni ye ene edi ni be di ye no amu ehu demonstration ye atwie no ne hu momome ene ye bo no ne hu campaign ye Akosua Serwaa campaign ene ye no o papa hu bedu peso yi hu firi mu ahyew de CPP ati ye ho
yes
party
enti ensem no na wonya bia wutie ye no mesre eni die no bokwa so wo ba so ache wadwene e wo comment section wa ha GH report